Hi,
Hi,
that's Maddie.
that's Jeremy.
We taught level 1.
6 count.
It was the last week of the month. You guys did really great.
We took Frankie sixes that you guys learned last week and we sort of spiced them up with a couple of variations. The first one on that last tuck turn, that's normally the arm catch. Instead of doing regular triple steps, we did a little jump. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, we added something where we shook our butts. That looked like this. Rock, step, down, you shake, you shake, you shake, stomp off, and then we keep dancing. After we did that,
We did a belt loop turn.
yes,
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2. It's okay that you end up in this funky hand. Don't worry about it. Just do it.
and then we ended with our tuck turn in front.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
We talked about that triple step in the middle where it's a triple go, and we have to have that woo moment where we spin around. You guys nailed it. You graduated. Things were great.